Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious espresso using pre-ground coffee. Ooh, you cannot use instant coffee in it, only ground coffee, okay? We're going to use ground coffee. Oh yeah, this is the same like an instant coffee machine, but it's not instant coffee itself. It is ground coffee. That means that the beans are going through a mill before it comes in the package to us. This Siemens EQ.6 Plus S400 machine can make an espresso using ground coffee. First step, we will need water. So fill up the tank. Maybe you should replace the water each day for a nice and delicious espresso. It is a coffee brewing method of Italian origin in which a small amount of nearly boiling water, about 90 degrees Celsius or 190 degrees Fahrenheit, is forced under 9 up to 10 bars. These are 900 up to 1000 kilopascal or 130 to 150 psi of pressure through finely ground coffee beans. Espresso coffee can be made with a wide variety of coffee beans and roast degrees. And in our case, we are going to make it with ground coffee. This is not so nice. I think it's not so nice as you make it from beans itself, okay? But it doesn't care. You can make it. I will show it. It's really easy. This fully automatic coffee machine can also be operated using ground coffee, but not instant coffee. When using the ground coffee, the setting for the trench of the coffee dispensing 2 cups at once and the aromaDouble shot is not available, okay? This is important that you cannot use this extra function on it. So we switch to espresso first. And then we are going to preheat our cup a little bit. That makes our espresso better because it is hotter than with a cold cup itself. So let's perform first. We are now get outlet. In the outlet, we're going to make hot water and rinse it inside the espresso cup a little bit. And then we can continue to make a delicious espresso as well. This costs us only a minute, I think. And then we have a hot cup in front of us. And this hot cup is ready for our next step. Yeah, preparation using ground coffee. We place a pre-warmed cup underneath the beverage outlet. Oh yeah. Then we touch the appearance symbol to select a black or milky coffee drink. In this case, it is an espresso. We are choosing now espresso. We have to touch the bean button repeatedly until the display shows ground coffee. If we see ground coffee in the screen, we are at the right thing. In German, it's Pulverfach, and in English, it is ground coffee setup. Now it's time for the ground coffee. So we open the ground coffee drawer. We place no more than 2 level measuring spoons of ground coffee in the drawer on the right side. Do not place coffee beans or instant coffee in this drawer, okay? Then we can close the ground coffee drawer if we are ready with that ground coffee, and we can go back to the machine. Then it's time to make a delicious espresso. Okay, we can choose different size of cups with it. Medium range, large or small, standard, whatever. We are going to use big. It will be a big espresso, okay? Maybe big, maybe medium, as you like. Now we have to push the start stop button and we begin dispensing the beverage. The coffee is brewed and dispensed into the cup. If we are going to hold the dispensing, we can touch every time the start and stop button again to prematurely hold the dispensing. And here we are, the espressos ready to join. And it comes with ground coffee in it. That's really awesome and easy as you can see. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun sun!